When it comes to upgrading or installing doors in your home, selecting the right material is essential for both functionality and aesthetics. In Fort Worth, where the climate fluctuates between hot summers and cold winters, choosing a door material that can withstand these conditions while complementing your home's style is crucial. Whether you're replacing an entry door or installing interior doors, it's important to consider factors such as durability, energy efficiency, and maintenance. Here are some of the best materials for door installation in Fort Worth homes. Wood doors. Wooden doors are a timeless option that adds warmth, elegance, and character to any home. They are highly customizable, available in a variety of styles, and can be stained or painted to match your home's interior design. Wood doors provide excellent insulation, which is ideal for Fort Worth's climate, keeping homes cooler during hot summers and warmer during chilly winters. The downside of wood is that it requires more maintenance than other materials. Over time, exposure to sun, rain, and humidity can cause the wood to warp, crack, or fade. To ensure longevity, wood doors should be sealed and refinished regularly. If you're looking for a classic, sophisticated look and are willing to maintain the door over time, wood can be an excellent choice. Steel door. Steel doors are known for their strength, security, and energy efficiency. They provide superior protection against the elements and intruders, making them a popular choice for entry doors. Steel doors are a great option for homeowners in Fort Worth who want peace of mind knowing that their door will provide both security and insulation. In terms of maintenance, steel doors are relatively low maintenance. They are resistant to warping, cracking, and swelling, and they won't rust easily when properly coated. Steel doors are also great at insulating homes, preventing heat loss during the winter and keeping cool air inside during the summer. However, while they are sturdy, steel doors can dent or scratch more easily than other materials, so it's important to handle them with care. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors have become a popular choice for homeowners due to their durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency. These doors are made of fiberglass panels that can mimic the look of wood without the drawbacks of natural materials. They are resistant to dents, scratches, and warping, making them ideal for homes in areas like Fort Worth where weather conditions can vary. Fiberglass doors are also great at providing insulation. They are filled with a foam core, which offers superior thermal protection compared to traditional wooden or steel doors. This makes them a smart choice for energy efficiency, helping homeowners reduce energy bills by maintaining a consistent indoor temperature year-round. Furthermore, fiberglass doors require minimal upkeep, needing only occasional cleaning to maintain their appearance. Glass doors. Glass doors are a stunning choice for homeowners who want to enhance natural light and create a modern, open feel within their home. While typically used for sliding patio or French doors, glass doors are available in various styles and can be combined with other materials such as wood or fiberglass for added security and durability. One of the biggest benefits of glass doors is their ability to bring the outdoors in, offering beautiful views and allowing natural light to flood your living space. However, privacy can be a concern with glass doors. To address this, many homeowners choose frosted or textured glass, or they install blinds or curtains for added privacy. When it comes to insulation, double-glazed glass doors are an excellent choice, offering better thermal protection than single-pane glass doors. Aluminum doors are another low-maintenance option, known for their strength and durability. Like steel doors, they are resistant to rust and corrosion, making them ideal for areas with fluctuating weather conditions, like Fort Worth. They are also lightweight, which makes them easy to install. While aluminum doors offer excellent security and protection from the elements, they may not provide as much insulation as other materials like fiberglass or wood. However, if you're looking for a sturdy, low-maintenance option that can stand up to the Fort Worth climate, aluminum doors can be a great choice. They come in various styles and finishes, making them versatile for both modern and traditional homes. Conclusion: choosing the right door material for your Fort Worth home depends on a variety of factors, including aesthetics, durability, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you prefer the classic charm of wood, the security of steel, the durability of fiberglass, the brightness of glass, or the strength of aluminum, each material offers distinct benefits to suit your needs. Consult with a professional door installer in Fort Worth to help you choose the best material that aligns with your preferences and home requirements. With the right door, you can enhance the curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency of your home for years to come.